Welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these questions to answer on the topic plant and animal nutrition. So guys, this video will be about the alimentary system, so ensure to stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and consider the first question here. It says the teeth used for tearing and cutting are A. Molar and incisors, B. Canine and molars, C. Canine and incisors, D. Premolar and incisors. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, and that's the canine and incisors. So they are the teeth that are modified for tearing and cutting. So that's it for that question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 2 here. It says, which of the following structures is not an organ of the digestive system? We have A. Stomach, B. Esophagus, C. Pancreas, D. Kidney. So guys, kidney does not play a role in digestion, and as such it's not a part of the digestive system. The stomach, the esophagus, and the pancreas are actually parts of the digestive system, but not the kidney. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 3 here. It says the function of the villi in the alimentary canal is to A. Increase the surface area for absorption, B. Emulsify fats, C. Curdle milk, and D. Excrete gastric juice. So guys, the villi in the alimentary canal, guys, is actually for increasing the surface area for absorption. So that's it for that question. Option A is the answer to this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next and the last question, guys. That's question number 4 here. It says, which of the following organs of the alimentary canal is not correctly matched with its function? We have A. Teeth grind food, B. Gallbladder stores bile, C. Appendix releases enzyme, D. Liver stores glycogen. So guys, the answer to this question is option C. Appendix is not matched with its actual function. So in humans, appendix is just like a vestigial organ. However, in most of the other mammals, it's there for digestion of cellulose. So it's not matched correctly with its function here, and as such, option C is the answer to this question. So guys, this is where we end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community. You can join this community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. So thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.